All right, Packer Nation, this is just the nuts and bolts, the basics of what you're expected to do for day 2 here on Monday the 6th. So we're going to transition away from the Welcome to Trimester 3 folder and into this Unit 7 folder, World War II. That's where we're going to do our learning. And that's why last week I had you watch that little mini trailer, or that extended trailer, little mini movie about this one World War II hero, a guy named Louis Zamperini. If you are bored, read his book called Unbroken. You won't be bored. It's incredible. But we're going to get into today what is going to be asked of you to do for this folder Monday, 4/6/20. You can see that I've turned stuff on, and Mr. Ochaki asked us to do this, to actually turn on the work the night before class starts, right? So today, class Monday, started at like 7 or 7:30, but I actually turned it on last night, Sunday, at 10 p.m. because people can get on at different times. You know, some of you stay up late, and so just giving you that opportunity. The do now, super easy, super straightforward. This needs to be done by 2 p.m. Today, Monday, in order for attendance to count. Really easy question. And you're going to be doing 2 things today in U.S. history. One is what I call a learning check. You can see here in this pink folder, it says Learning Check 7.1. There's really kind of 2.5 things that you're going to be doing. You're going to be watching this flipped lecture on YouTube and taking notes, you know, pause it, type in the notes, that sort of thing, and then using those notes to take the learning check. This is a lot like you do in science. You're going to watch, take notes, and then answer some questions. It's called a learning check. And then the other activity that I want you to do is look at what caused World War II. Now, it's a lot of things, but I want to draw one direction in particular to your attention. Hopefully, you'll read through the directions. Actually, I should say, absolutely need you to read through these directions, all of them, right? And then answer these questions. But here's what I want to draw your attention to right in the middle. It says, hey, you don't have to do number 2 if you don't want to, but you still need to do number 3. So you can't get a full score if you skip it, but you'll be just fine as long as you read this following sentence. So in theory, especially if U.S. history has been hard for you, or if you feel like you have a lot of work and you're babysitting, you don't have a lot of time, do number 1 and number 3. If you're a comfortable A-B student and you have the time, you really should do number 2, but I'm giving you permission with this weird setup to skip number 2. So just a quick review, right, of where we're at today on Monday the 6th, day 2. Not supposed to touch your face. That's minus points in the Corona world. You've got the do now. You've got the learning check, and you've got the what caused World War II. You have to do at least number 1 and number 3. That's what we're doing today. Thanks. Email me questions. I won't get back to you right away, but still email me questions if you have them. Thanks.